Welcome to my channel MuleSoft Unleashed. In this video, we'll understand how a multipart request is received and parsed by MuleSoft and how we extract data from it using DataWeave 2.0. We'll start with the raw multipart input, then see how Mule converts it internally, and finally how our DataWeave output JSON is built. Let's start with the input request sent by the client. This request uses multipart form data, which allows multiple payloads to be sent in a single HTTP call. The first part of this multipart request is JSON. It contains the candidate details like name, email, and role. Notice the named candidate. This becomes the key inside Mule's multipart payload. The second part is a PDF file, the candidate's resume. Since this is binary data, Mule will not treat it as text or JSON. Again, the name in resume is important. Mule uses it to identify this part. Once this request hits the HTTP listener, MuleSoft automatically detects the multipart content type. We don't need to split boundaries or write any custom parsing logic. Mule converts the request into a structured object called payload.parts. Each multipart section becomes a part, and every part has headers and content. The JSON part is automatically passed into an object, while the file remains as binary. Let's break this DataWeave script down step by step. First, we store the entire incoming payload in a variable called request. This includes all multipart parts, headers, and binary content. Here, we are simply returning the full parsed multipart payload for debugging or learning purposes. In real projects, you usually wouldn't expose this, but it's great for understanding what Mule receives. This is the most important line. We are directly accessing the candidate JSON part using payload parts candidate content. Since Mule already parsed the JSON, we get a clean object, no conversion needed. These fields simulate a real backend response, confirming that the candidate was created and documents were successfully uploaded. To summarize, multipart requests allow files and JSON to be sent together. MuleSoft automatically parses multipart input. Each part is accessible via payload, parts, content. JSON parts are passed automatically. Files remain as binary for safe processing. This pattern is widely used in recruitment, banking, insurance, healthcare, and onboarding systems. If you understand payload parts, you understand multipart in MuleSoft. In the next lesson, we'll continue building on this and transform even more complex structures. If you're enjoying the series, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and check the playlist for previous days.